Hey guys, I hope you are all doing great today. And I'm a little bit nervous and excited at the same time because for today's tutorial, we are going to uncover the secrets of check printing online. It's a game changer for businesses that still rely on paper checks. So, before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And it keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark on this journey with you all once again. Now, let's get right into the action. So, printing checks in QuickBooks Online offers, several advantages for the industry because it streamlines the payment processes, it improves financial record keeping, and enhances efficiency. The information on your checks is accurate, is consistent. We have to be aware of that because reducing the risk of errors such as incorrect payment amounts or misspelled payee names would lead to a better and smooth transaction. And QBO is much faster and more efficient. If you can compare it if you want it, than manually writing checks by hand. It saves time, especially when dealing with multiple payments. If you have like two or more clients, that's okay. But if you're running a big business and a large industry, you have to do it right. You have to transition from QBO and accept some check. And when you print a check, the transaction is automatically recorded. So yeah, by printing checks in house, you can save the cost of pre-printed check stock and postage for mailing physical checks. So you are given the luxury to take the hassles and the burden, right? You can easily track which payments have been made and when. And also, as an added, the security features to protect your check printing process and sensitive financial information. The security on QBO is really tough. The system maintains a digital audit trail for all track transactions, providing a historical record for reference and auditing processes. You can also customize your checks with the company logo and branding them, giving them a professional and polished looks. And most importantly, when printing checks, you can check them remotely, which can be especially useful for businesses with multiple locations or remote teams, right? And if you go paperless, QBO is the go-to destination, to generate electronic payments, such as direct deposits or online payments, providing additional payment options to your vendors and employees, which will make them repeat the business, right? So let's get back into it. So if you're using the same version that I have, you hover to the left interface here where it says check. Now you can choose the payee or the recipient here, since if you have watched some of our videos online, so we created the dummy a training account for this tutorial purposes. So let's say we choose the this one, easy earl, and it automatically populated for cash and equivalents. No, you can always verify and check and edit the mailing address if it has been updated for quite some time, the payment date which you wanted to be issued, be it today or some other day. You can all do all that, and the checking account number, let's say this one. You don't have to worry about the managed tags. And the category, yes, the category is you can actually choose what kind of service you are going to choose from. You have plethora of options here. The choices are plenty, so it's all up to you. And you can type, let's say you can't find it here. You can always add new, right? You can always add new, and you can put some description if it doesn't fit on the category that was given here from the drop down list below. And the amount, you can, let's say, put some numbers here and the tags. It's all up to you. So, and then of course you can customize the memo. You can put some notes or a message, a brief message of what the transaction, the purpose is. And again, if you wanted to attach a supplemental information, that would be nice. And be mindful that it only accepts 20 MB. You can just drag here or click this one. And let's say you are satisfied with all the information that you have amended here. Let's say you can direct print this, all of it in one go. If you have, let's say, if you already has a customized paper for check printing, because it has a little bit of customization later in printing. But you have, let's say, if you have that on the printer, you can direct print here. You don't have to go anywhere else. Or you can keep more void. You have options here. Or what we can do for now is save and close. All right, something's not right. What about? Okay, let's say, let's check. There seems to be one minor problem here. What about this one? Hold on. All right, say you save and close. All right. You also have the option to go at new, and below the suppliers tab, you can actually see a print option here. When you print that, you will be given two options. If you are happy with the information, you can still amend. And for the check printing paper size, because as we all know, it's not the standard printing because you are issuing a check. So you have to be mindful of that. You will be given an options there for the sizes and whatnot. And then after that, you can actually print it as easy as it is. And thank you for joining us again in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks and accounting tips. If you have questions or need further assistance, don't be shy, don't be hesitate. Please leave a comment below. I read all of them. And until next time, keep your financial records in perfect harmony and happy bookkeeping. See you in the next video. Peace.